Good morning, guys. Travis with Trade Confident here. Let's give ourselves a rundown of where we think the market's going to be going. Let's give ourselves an update. You guys want to see? I just recorded a future forecast for our members. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But the account in Coinbase is currently sitting at, I think it's around roughly 199. Yeah, 199,500. I'll just be honest with you guys. Yesterday's crash, we lost $10,000. We went down $10,000 yesterday, and we were making it back up about 8,000 this morning. Really nice rebound. Over in Robinhood, I'll give you guys a quick update of where we're sitting over here. This is just all of our crypto holdings. We're at 9,665. $10,000 was our break even, so we're down a little bit there. We are investing into the market every single Tuesday inside of our membership. You guys can snag that in the description. It's $59 a month. I definitely recommend you guys snag that. We're going to take our $250,000 account and we're going to trade up to $1 million. But I wanted to come on here and just talk to you guys about what I'm seeing and why I actually think we're pretty bullish in the market right now. And while a lot of people are maybe calling, you guys know about the death cross. Jake covered that yesterday about the market going down. But let me show you guys some things that I'm looking at, which is why I actually bought in with a few $1,000s worth of crypto this morning. And I did not wait until next week. So here's what I see. I use these indicators because obviously they help us out a lot. And if you guys want to wait till the end of the video, we have a sale going on too. So it's kind of just best of both worlds for you guys. Here's what I want you guys to watch first. We're going to do top-down analysis here. You guys need to watch this. The moment that we start seeing Bitcoin starting to cross above the 50, the 100, or 200 moving average, you're going to see crypto go bullish. Guarantee you guys on the daily time frame, the moment that Bitcoin goes above 50, that means we're going to start attacking the next big moving average. That's 100, then we're going to start attacking the 200 moving average. Once those start turning green, here's another way of saying this. You better get in before they start turning green. Okay, so this is actually a great time to be buying. I use this because I look at momentum traders out there and they say, I'm going to buy in when the market is going up because I have momentum. They use confirmation of momentum to get into trades. I like to see momentum is actually heading against long trades, and that's where we end up buying into the market. Take a look down here. Price versus money flow. I saw this, and I'm going to show this to you guys on a few coins this morning. You guys know there's divergence. We actually have money flowing into these assets while the price is going down. Take a look at this. You have a low here, and you have another higher low here. Actually, ideally, I was looking at this movement over here. Sideways action in the market with money flowing into the market usually results in a pump to the upside. Okay, sitting at a 51% chance of a pump. Let me come over here and I'll show you guys Ethereum. Look at Ethereum here. You've got a low and a higher low. This is showing you guys undeniably money is moving into the market. And what's happening here, I believe, is a trapping of retail traders to the downside. And we're going to start seeing moves back up here. Not only that, you come over to Bitcoin here. We are sitting at a pretty strong structure support right here in the market that if Bitcoin is going to survive and it's going to not put in a higher low, which by the way, everybody should know this. Let me get this bigger. Bitcoin has not actually given up its uptrend just yet. The wick value low that we're all watching for is about 24,730. It is technically still a higher low formation. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low formation. So we are technically still in an uptrend. And if it's going to be getting bullish, it's going to get bullish right now. Now, let me take you guys over here and show you some of this. One of the stocks that we invest into decently heavily is actually a stock called Riot Platforms. We covered this on our platform. You don't know if you guys know this, but Vanguard actually bought a 10% stake into Riot. And we have data in our future forecast too. I know I talk about that a lot. We actually saw and have the data that BlackRock also is investing into Riot and Mara as well right now. These are Bitcoin mining companies. So we're buying this up in Robinhood right now because we've got projections that you're going to probably make more money in Riot than maybe even in Bitcoin coming up here. And we show that to you guys, okay? I know I say this a lot, guys, but get the indicators and the membership and go to the future forecast. Here's what our front page looks like. I'm going to continue this analysis, so it's not sales to the end of the video. Get into the future forecast. Once you guys have a membership, click up here and watch it. I just did this one this morning, and I'll show you guys right now why today is the time to accumulate and why it could be the actual low of Bitcoin for the rest of the month. I'll show you guys historical proof of this, about 6 points of data, why today is the day that you should be accumulating, in my personal opinion, and why we put thousands of dollars in the market today ourselves as well. All right, what else do we want to talk about? I'll show you guys one more piece of data that we talked about this morning because I feel like a lot of people are like, I'm going to come here and scroll. You guys might have seen it. Okay, we're just going to have fun with this for a little bit. How many of you guys think people are just selling right now? Like, how many retail traders do you think are selling? My thought, honest, was like, there's nobody selling because there's too much hope. Bitcoin ETF coming out. Kathy Woods just said she's going to apply for an Ethereum ETF, so it's going to get crazy. Look at this. You've got the 5-year HODL wave. Everybody's holding. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. And I'll go into this more in depth in what we just covered this morning. But the market going down right now, I think anyone selling right now, I think it's Fidelity. I think it's Robinhood. I think it's actually BlackRock selling because I don't know the sentiment of retail traders right now. You guys correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but is it not that we have a Bitcoin spot ETF most likely coming out? It looks like the dollar is about to crash. Okay, and I guarantee you guys, if the dollar crashes, Bitcoin, gold, and silver are going to go through the roof. So that's bullish as well. Kathy Woods applies for an Ethereum ETF, meaning that once Bitcoin gets approved, I guarantee you guys the Ethereum ETF is right on the heels of Bitcoin. That's going to push it up. We also had the halving event, and we've also seen a decent decline in the market. And if you guys look at the rainbow chart for Bitcoin, we're at the fire sale prices. Guys, so much technical analysis says you better have about 80 to 85% of all the money you want to have in crypto right now before we take off before the halving event. And I'll show you guys this morning why I think right now, literally today, is a great time to buy. I know another guy online that just bought $800,000 worth of Bitcoin yesterday, and I think he may have been looking at some of the same data I did. And so we bought in as well this morning. So that's pretty exciting. The indicators, here's what I want you guys to watch for, because I want to give you guys a setup for where you might want to look to exit if you think we're going to go back down. The moment that the well money flow gets up to this higher level, I just want you guys to be paying attention to what's happened in the past. Just look at what's happened when you see well money flow at these higher levels. And some of you guys are like, indicators don't work. I'm here to tell you guys indicators work. I know they work because we scalp with these indicators, and we have a total of 68 wins, 0 losses, and 13 active trades pending. You guys can take these in our membership if you would like, okay? The highest win rate record on YouTube ever recorded, ever we can find. 68 wins, 0 losses. The only thing beating us, this is our record last year, which was 126 wins and 1 loss, and that was on Luna. And then we ended up calling about 14 losses because the market was going down, crashing. So we actually ended up cutting our losses on those so we didn't lose a ton of money. We started the strategy over. We readjusted our risk management, and we basically restarted the strategy in 2023. And that's why you guys see on the front of our website that we always keep track of this, and it's open to the public. We are 68 wins, 0 losses, scalping the market. Okay, so moving into this next week, looking at scalping trades are going to be great, but let me show you guys how to exit when well money flow is really high. And I'm looking up here at the values I'll give these values to you guys, about 68 to 70. This is where we're seeing the markets top out and starting to move back down. Okay, even moving up here, we see a little bit moves up and it's stalling and moving back down. You can see right here, we moved up and then we stalled and we moved straight back down. This is where we're going to be looking to potentially, you guys make your own decisions, but to look to take some out of the market again. And we're watching for this white line, it's very simple, to get into the short trade zone. So if you guys are short traders, taking short trades, if you guys are, trading futures, looking to short this, when you get up into the short trade zone, this is a very, very good time from historical data to be looking to actually short Bitcoin if you believe it's going to be going back down. Just wait for the white line to get into the top red section here. This is called short trade zone. And this is where you guys want to be looking for the moves back down. I'm telling you guys, we've been coding these indicators for a very, very long time. I've been doing this for about 5 years, coding these. These are the best ones you guys can use, okay? If you get a sell signal on the top and bottom finder, which I'll show you guys how to get that in a second, that's even better. You guys look at Ethereum, it's called some of the absolute greatest tops before it moves back down. This indicator does not repaint. It is telling you guys pretty much where the tops are before it moves back down, as well as the moves back up in the market. Great, great strong buy signal here. And we're looking for another buy signal or eventually the sell signal to pop over here with well money flow high, and we're seeing short trade zones. So if you guys are like, I'm betting on this bad boy going down to 0, like that's a very good entry. If you guys wait up here for well money flow high, you're looking for the trades in favor high as well as a sell signal. All these indicators we're using in our scalping trades that we have the highest win record, and I want to give you guys access to this right now if you guys want it. I suggest you guys do this because look, nobody has a lot of money for discretionary income. I'll put it like that. So let me show you guys what we're doing for everybody for these indicators. First of all, membership, guys, snag a membership. It's $59 a month. There's links in the description. I would pay that. Watch the future forecast first and foremost. The Labor Day sale, we are actually ending this week. It's going to be ending Friday. So we have over 5,000 downloads. The top and bottom finders right here, but let me set you guys up for the best deal. The Pro Indicator Pack is going to give you guys all of these indicators. all of our scalping trades, we show you guys the setup of the trades in favor because it's a really, really strong indicator to use. We actually show price versus money flow as well when we call it scalping trades. So we teach you guys how to use these and how we're actually getting this high win rate. So snag the Pro Bundle Pack. If you get a membership first, we'll give you guys $200 off. So the membership is $59. Once you pay that, click Access $200 off sale code. You guys will get $200 off on top of 60% off of all the indicators. And then once you check out with this, we're going to give you guys $400 off the top and bottom finder at checkout. So the best thing to do, guys, is to get a membership. If you don't want a membership, that's fine. I suggest you guys look at it because we have data we never share on YouTube, and that's where we're growing our big account up to $1 million worth. But if you don't want to get a membership, use these coupons over here. So non-members, here's the coupon code, TC250. Give yourself $250 off the top and bottom finders today. And we're going to be taking these away, by the way. TC100, give yourself at least $100 off the Pro Pack if you don't want the membership so you guys can snag these indicators. I'm telling you guys, look at the testimonials for yourself. We have some of the greatest testimonials online. I know I'm pushing this hard, but look, as the market's low, get the tools you guys need to trade into the market as it starts going back up. It's not going to stay this low forever. I'm excited on this video. I get jacked about this because I know the track record of history that we have over here, and I know that these trades, we're going to start winning more trades. These active trades down here, if anybody wants to follow these, we just started calling one out. We just called out one yesterday that has really, really good risk management. And if you guys are following with the indicators and you guys are looking at how we're trading these markets, you'll see when we call a trade setup out what we're looking for. And I'll give you guys a sneak peek at this one. I'll show you guys this is look at this. We're an 89% chance of a move up with well money flow this low with super good risk management. This is how we're not losing trades. If you guys are like, I just want to win some trades, I want some confidence, and I want someone who has a clear track record, here you go. It's open to the public. Everybody in the world can see this, and everything is transparent of the open, the close, the ticker, where we called it out. We have screenshots of the entry as well as the exit, so everything's transparent. And then we even give you guys a record here of we haven't even, based off the trades that have closed, 82% of our trades have never needed a first buy limit. They've never hit a first buy limit. I think you guys are going to like what we have over here. So anyways, guys, it is Tuesday. I hope you guys have a great week here on the week of September 11th here. We have the sale going till Friday, and we have limited coupon codes on this. So snag the indicators today, get a membership, and watch that future forecast as I show you guys data we're not going to show on YouTube here of why we ended up buying in a few $1,000s worth of crypto this morning. And it is because of the most bearish signal present in the market. It is actually the most bullish, and I'll prove it to you guys. All right, guys, have a great day. God bless you guys. Links are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the membership, and enjoy those coupon codes that we're giving you guys. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.